Tesla just posted their deliveries for Q4 2020, and we finally get the answer. Did they hit 500,000 deliveries for Q4 2020? Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is a yes, and that is a it's a no. Now, how can it be yes or no? Depending upon who you listen to, if you look at the actual legit true numbers, it was 499,550, just barely shy of the actual 500,000 mark. Keep in mind how Tesla evaluates and decides if it's a delivery is if obviously car produced, car delivered, in hand to the customer, paperwork exchanged correctly, no error, boom, that counts as a delivery. Anyways, guys, this is the Trade Carter Show. Welcome to this channel. If you guys like investing content, anything Tesla related, or really anything growth stock / Bitcoin related, make sure you guys click the subscribe button below, and let's get into this video. So, guys, as you guys can see, we actually got a little bit of information here in regards to it being 499,550 cars. Slight variance you'll see from a few, depending upon when you're looking. But this is what they posted on a Saturday for the very first time. Tesla has actually never, ever posted their information on a actual Saturday, but they did this time around. Now, one thing I want to touch on this video is not just the fact that they had a record-breaking year in regards to profits and deliveries. I also want to touch on the fact about what the actual stock price is going to do. Because depending upon who you listen to, Tesla announced it as going to hit their goal of 500,000. I get the thinking of what's behind that and why they're saying that. Some people could say they're rounding it up. But what we're thinking about is short term, what is Tesla going to do? Here's the thing. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so I have no clue about what to tell you what to do. But how I'm looking at this is that I look at just kind of the brief overview of the news, okay? How the news is framing it, what articles are being put out there, and what sentiment, how the market can respond in the short term. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind about something. The stock market is not rational. It just isn't it. Whether stocks go super high, super low in the short term, who absolutely knows how they're going to respond to this? Now, here's my thought. There's a couple ways this could go. Number one, the general sentiment around Tesla right now is very, very positive. It's very good. There's a lot of excitement in regards to Tesla. Now, they could look at this, quote, slight miss of a couple hundred or so vehicles of the 500,000, but them actually having the production rate over that as positive and fine, and they're looking forward into 2021. See, if they're thinking rationally, like hopefully you and me would, we're thinking about we're investing in what? It's the future. So let's keep looking to 2021. Obviously, they had a shutdown. They had a lot of things go on that held them back from that. Without that shutdown, easily, I believe they would have been over that 500,000 car delivery mark. Now, going into this actual next year, we have a lot of things we got to think about. Number one, I am slightly hopeful that the market actually does a slight pullback in the short term for Tesla stock for them missing the actual 500,000 delivery mark. Now, with that being said, we want to keep some things in perspective. Ending 2020, guys, they've had record production, even with the shutdown. They've had record revenue, record profits, and record cash on hand. Talk about an absolute phenomenal year for Tesla when it's been an absolute dumpster fire for the majority of folks that are out there. So if you've been a Tesla owner, guys, congratulations to you. Now looking into 2021, do I think this company is still a buy? Do I still think it has opportunity to run and grow? Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, but for me, the answer is an absolute yes. Now, what I'm looking for is I am nibbling under about $800 a share, depending upon, obviously, if it's a red day. In the short term, I'm hoping it goes below a little bit into the 600s to a degree, just because I like to put a little more money into Tesla, because I just recently accepted my delivery of a Model Y, and I went through a very high conviction of the actual company and the stock to, let's just say, even higher after being able to drive that car over the last 5 days. But looking into 2021, guys, what we're thinking about and looking into is another record production breaking year, because obviously the factories that are currently open with Fremont, Shanghai, they're going to continue to improve. And then we're looking at Tesla Austin, their factory they have out there, getting up, starting that Cybertruck, along with Berlin getting up and going, getting more production getting up there, along with Shanghai continuing to expand and starting the Model Y production, and obviously going to get to the deliveries because they just reduced the price. I think it's like 10 to 20% on the Model Ys, and there are rumors that they have over 100,000 requested actual deliveries. So there were orders that were placed on there that were so much that was information put out about the actual Tesla China website crashing because the amount of volume and traffic they were getting to that. So very exciting year to look forward, guys. Short term, if it drops, definitely going to be buying more. In the midterm, I'm going to be nibbling a little bit. Once it goes over the 800 mark, it's probably time for me to do some shopping and looking around because there's other companies out there that obviously the beginning of the year, seeing obviously with Biden becoming president, or if any goofiness happens after January 6th, like some people say, we'll see what some companies do and go from there. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love Tesla-related content, anything investing-wise or Bitcoin-related, guys, click the subscribe button down there. Make sure you smash that like button. And let me know what you guys think about these deliveries. What are you guys planning going forward? And what's your 2021 strategy? Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.